Preparation. Materials: cement, water, cloth, 2 squares, basket mold, plastic bag, gloves, wooden posts, wire, scissors, brush, waterproof coating, and paint. First, cover the mold with the plastic bag, pressing it firmly into all corners and curves to ensure a smooth finish. Part 2. The structure and fabric. Mixing. Combine cement and water until it reaches a pancake batter consistency. Saturation. Place the 2 squares of cloth into the mixture, massaging the cement into every fiber until fully coated. Draping. Layer the squares over the plastic-lined mold, ruffling the edges to create texture. Reinforcement. Trim excess cloth with scissors and insert the wooden post in the center as the foundation for the neck. Use the wire to bridge the wood, creating an anchor point for the swan's neck. Polished finish. Refining and curing 48 hours to dry. Demolding. Carefully remove the basket mold and plastic liner. Next, sculpting the neck. Forming. Shape the wire into the curve of a swan's neck. Coating. Wrap the wire in cloth and apply a cement layer. Smoothing. Mist the structure. Only water inside the bottle. Finishing touches. Brush all the planter with cement. Make sure it's even. Brush until it is smooth and shaped like a graceful neck. Curing. Let the piece sit in a shaded area for at least 48 hours. Painting. Once dry. Sealing. Apply a waterproof coating properly with a brush. Finish with the paint color of your choice to complete your swan planter.